In today's episode, we're diving into the transformative world of smart HVAC systems. These energy-efficient technologies can significantly improve your home's comfort levels while slashing utility bills. For instance, programmable thermostats can adjust your heating and cooling based on your daily schedule, ensuring you're never wasting energy. Additionally, using sensors that detect temperature changes allows your system to respond cleverly to each room's needs. Integrating these smart devices not only maximizes efficiency, but also enhances your overall living experience. Join this tech journey and see how simple adjustments can lead to significant savings in comfort.